Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Carrollton Avenue is one of New Orleans' most historic and important thoroughfares, stretching from the edge of the Mississippi River at the riverfront through uptown and all the way toward the city's northwest neighborhoods. This avenue is a key part of the city's street network, and it connects a wide range of neighborhoods, each with its own character and history. The avenue is named after the former town of Carrollton, which was once a separate community outside of New Orleans. Carrollton was founded in the early 19th century, and it grew as a suburban area for residents who wanted to live outside the denser parts of the city. Over time, the area became more closely connected to New Orleans, and Carrollton was officially annexed by the city in 1909, becoming part of the growing urban landscape. As you drive along Carrollton Avenue, you can see how the street reflects the city's development over time. The avenue features a mix of historic homes, commercial districts, and residential neighborhoods. In the older sections, many of the buildings date back to the late 19th century, with classic New Orleans architecture such as raised cottages, shotgun houses, and elegant uptown mansions. These styles reflect the city's growth during the post-Civil War period, when New Orleans expanded and new neighborhoods were built to accommodate a growing population. Carrollton Avenue is also closely linked to New Orleans' streetcar system. The famous St. Charles streetcar line runs along part of the avenue, providing a historic and scenic transit route through the city. The streetcar is one of the oldest continuously operating lines in the world, and it has been a symbol of New Orleans public transportation for more than a century. Riding or driving alongside it gives a sense of how the city's daily life has been shaped by this unique mode of transit. In the early 20th century, Carrollton Avenue became a major corridor for businesses and neighborhoods. Shops, restaurants, and service businesses opened along the avenue, serving local residents and travelers. The street's commercial areas grew as more people moved into the surrounding neighborhoods, making Carrollton Avenue a busy and vibrant part of the city. Carrollton Avenue has also been shaped by New Orleans' history of storms and flooding. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina caused widespread damage across the city, and the surrounding neighborhoods along Carrollton Avenue were affected by flooding and power outages. Recovery and rebuilding efforts took years, but the avenue remained a key route for residents returning to their homes and rebuilding their communities. Today, Carrollton Avenue remains a lively and diverse corridor, blending historic neighborhoods with modern businesses. It serves as a daily route for commuters, residents, and visitors, and it continues to reflect New Orleans' unique mix of culture, architecture, and urban life. A drive along Carrollton Avenue offers a real look at the city beyond the tourist areas, a place where people live, work, and carry on the traditions that make New Orleans so distinctive. Thanks for watching!